Come make a collection with me. I'm going to start by dropping alcohol ink on top of this clear acetate sticker paper, and I'm going to use a little bit of rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol to make it run and give it a little transparency. I want lots of vibrant color. I'm putting down connector rings. I like to use these as open bezels, and they make the perfect little pieces that you can use for just about anything. You could make bracelets, rings, whatever you want. So I'm filling each one with a little bit of UV resin, and then I'll do the same thing with some other types of bezels that you'll see later. But here I'm just making sure that everything is nice and even, and I'm curing it for about 30 seconds. Now I'm going to cut them all out, and I'm only going to cut a couple out for you here. But you just, take your scissors. Again, this is pretty thick paper because it is designed to be sticker paper, and it is clear, so this backing paper will peel off and it'll actually be see-through. So I'm just going to snip all of this excess paper away. Okay, I'm going to clean that up a little bit by just removing any excess sticker paper. I love using this technique because it gives a huge variety of different things that, different effects that will come out of it. And you can make a lot of different pieces all in one go, which we all love a good batch process. Okay, now I'm going to put a little dot of UV resin on top of my piece. Here you definitely want to be using gloves. I ended up pulling out a pair of gloves after this, but you don't want to get this stuff on your skin. It's super toxic. Okay, so here I am with actual gloves. Using a little dollop of it on the back, I'm going to take this 18 gauge wire, which I twisted into a ring shape, and I'm adhering it to the back of that piece. And I'm going to do another one on this side, or for this one, and this will just be a little more of a vertical look. Again, curing, making sure that everything is nice and solid. And here's my collection. So I have the 2 rings, and then I made 3 additional bezels, which will then become necklaces. If you try out this technique, please let me know how it works out for you, and I'd love to see your pieces, so definitely tag me. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you'd like to see more, leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks. Happy crafting.